What is Ramp Procurement? Ramp Procurement is a complete spend intake and approval system built directly into the Ramp platform you're already using today. More than just a request form, it helps your business gain visibility and control over every purchasing decision before money is spent. With Ramp Procurement, employees can easily submit vendor purchase requests, while finance teams can ensure the right approvals happen at the right time. This creates a clear and consistent process for managing what your company is buying, who it is buying from, how much is being spent, and whether those purchases align with budgets and company policies. From the moment a request is submitted, Ramp Procurement manages the entire purchasing lifecycle, routing approvals here, generating purchase orders, and onboarding vendors, as well as connecting purchases directly to bills for seamless payment and tracking. The result is faster purchasing for employees, stronger spend controls and visibility for finance teams, and greater confidence that every dollar is being spent intentionally. These are the areas where Ramp Procurement really shines. When it comes to vendor onboarding, Ramp Procurement automatically collects W-9s, banking information, and compliance documents from vendors, reducing manual work and accelerating onboarding. For customization, it offers deep customization for approval and change order workflows, allowing you to design processes that match how your business operates today while supporting the needs of a more complex organization tomorrow. It standardizes spend intake by replacing ad hoc requests across email, Slack, and spreadsheets with structured, trackable forms that create consistency and accountability. Bill pay and cards are fully connected to Ramp Procurement, enabling end-to-end spend control with two-way and three-way matching, item receipt tracking, and partial reconciliation capabilities to help ensure every purchase is accurate, compliant, and accounted for. Lastly, with visibility and access to purchase order history, you'll always have access to linked documentation, approval history, and activity logs for every purchase order, giving stakeholders the context they need to make informed decisions. Before you can start using Ramp Procurement, you must make sure the following is completed. You'll want to make sure that your accounting system is connected to Ramp. You'll also want to make sure that your Ramp bill pay is set up and activated. You can start from scratch or use a template to create a Ramp Procurement AI agent to define how Ramp reviews requests for new purchases and renewals to automate research, check, and summaries. You'll also want to make sure all of your vendors are imported into Ramp. Lastly, you'll want to make sure that everyone who will request or approve purchase orders has accepted the Ramp invitation. By bringing spend requests, approvals, vendor management, purchasing, and payments into a single workflow, Ramp Procurement helps your business move faster, strengthen financial controls, and scale purchasing operations with confidence. Now, let's get everything configured so your team can start realizing those benefits from day one.